Hi, this is Mary from Second Time Tech, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. And this here should be a keyboard and mouse that I got off of Amazon, and I can't remember if it was used or a sent back item. I can't remember which one it was. But the regular price on Amazon Canada was $120, and then they had it on sale for $89. And then they had one of the used slash sent back ones for $42. So I ordered the $42 one. And so I thought I'd open it up and see. So if this is what it is, then good. So we'll open up the box. I'm trying not to make so much noise as I did last time, but I can still see I'm making noise. In all those mic videos that I talked about, no, not mic, but the audio interface videos that I made on the Behringer UMC 404, right now I see the use for that 20 or 30 dB pad. I could have just pressed it in whenever I was undoing this and then take it off after I was done, because then it wouldn't be so noisy. I finally found a use for it. I like the mute switch better, but for this case it wouldn't be as good because it would go dead silent. So, get rid of this. And here is the box. And this is another package of those 36 AAA batteries for $4.97 Canadian at Amazon.ca. I thought they were such a good buy, I'd buy another one and give some to my kids. So now we'll open up the keyboard. Set that down there for now. I don't know what this is. There we are. There's all the little pieces for it. So, basically what I got was I got the Logitech desktop MK710. And this is the keyboard right here. Hold it a little closer there. And then this is the mouse that I got right here. And it is the M705. The keyboard's called the MK710. Oh, that's different. But anyway, that's okay. Anyway, and then there's the unifying dongle. Maybe this is, well, it's just an extension cord, USB extension cord. Maybe it's so that you can bring the dongle closer to the keyboard if you want to, because it looks like it's made to sit like this, like sit right down on the tabletop like that. It's got little rubber feet on it and a whole bit. That's the first time I've seen one of them. Now, the one thing about the getting this model, it didn't have the well, not this model, but this way, it didn't have batteries with it, so I have to put the batteries in. But the batteries are supposed to last a very long time. I'll get into that in a few minutes. We'll just go over a few little things. Oh, they didn't. Plastic is still on it too, so well, that's pretty cool. So it couldn't have been used very much. Usually people take all the plastic off. And then the keyboard. Let's see where we put the batteries in here. There we go. So basically, what it says about the keyboard is it has a 3-year battery life on the keyboard and a 3-year battery life on the mouse. Well, if you like the video, thumbs up. Don't like the video, thumbs down. If you like the content, please subscribe. I want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Bye.